ReqIF is a standard. It's an XML document format to exchange requirements. This plugin helps you import ReqIF documents inside of Requirement Yogi. Upon installation, go to Requirement Yogi and you will see a new tab. This is where you can manage and import ReqIF documents. Upload a file and attach it to a page. Choose which requirements to import and map each property with a column. One column is the requirement key, another column is the title of the requirement, and the other columns can be imported as properties with any custom name. We support various ReqIF renderers. If this is not enough, you can download the source of the plugin and extend it. Do the same for every section of your document. And finally, click Import. From now on, your requirements have been imported to Requirement Yogi. They can be listed, referenced, their properties are available, and you get a unique link that you can paste in Pages. Hover over it and you will see the details in the pop-up. Click on it and the original document is displayed, with the requirement highlighted in bright yellow. That is it. Any attachment with the ReqIF label can be managed in this tab. You can re-upload new versions of your attachment and they will replace your requirements. If you delete the attachment, then requirements are deleted too. If you've already used the Excel import for Requirement Yogi, then you've already noticed that the screens are extremely similar. How do baselines work for external documents? Baselines are Requirement Yogi's way of freezing a specific version of your requirements, for example when you perform a release. When you baseline a ReqIF document, a copy of the records is made. They will be viewed in the default viewer. You can even browse the various versions of this document. This is extensible. You can implement your own viewers, which could be very handy if your extension needs to display, for example, architecture diagrams or technical drawings. How do dependencies between requirements work? Because imported requirements are normal requirements, you can use them as dependencies. And display them in a traceability matrix. However, it is not possible to create dependencies the other way, from an imported document to Requirement Yogi, unless you extend the extension. As a general rule, dependencies defined inside of a ReqIF document are ignored by Requirement Yogi. Last but not least, although Requirement Yogi is a commercial product, the ReqIF extension is open source. You can fork it, support your own document format, and we've published an entire website for developers. As it stands, the ReqIF extension is only a demonstration of the possibilities. Raise a support request if you need any more information. Thank you.